Hello everyone, welcome to Blink and Beep. Today I will be unboxing and reviewing Tihoo mini desktop sweeper and vacuum cleaner. Okay, so before we get into it, this is my first ever unboxing video. I hope to do this right, but please do bear with me if I make any mistakes in between. Alright, so let's start. Okay, here is the product. Okay. Here is the product right in front of us. Let's see what's written on the sides of the box first. So it says desktop electric dust collector and not suitable for children under 3 years age. And that's pretty much it. Let's open it up. We seem to be getting a tiny little stand with it, or I think that serves the purpose. Okay, we have a manual. Right, that's pretty straightforward, I think. Okay, let's start with it. So as far as the dimension goes, it's 8 cross 8 cross 6.2 in centimeters. So it kind of places well in your hands, so no doubt about it. Let's actually take a better look at this guy. So on top we kind of get a compartment kind of thing. Let's see if we can open this. Right. Yep. So this is where the batteries go in. It takes 2 AA batteries to get it going, and the batteries are not included in the box. So I had to get my own batteries. I'll be putting them in a second. So before that, let's see the other things about this guy. Okay, so I think here's the button to turn it on or off. It's pretty easy. Just slide it forward and backward depending on whether you want to turn on or off. So it already has a mark here, like it says on and off. So right now it is in off, and I'm going to turn it on. Yep, and back to off. And there's another button sort of thing which says push right here. Let me see what happens. Yep, right, so it opens up and we get a cool place here where it collects the actual dust that we will be cleaning up in a few minutes or in a few seconds. Right, so let me just put it back in and just push and push. All right. Okay, so and there is this tiny black brush like thing all over the bottom. Looks like they will be directing the dust in some way to be pulled inside. I don't know exactly. Let's check it out. So I'm gonna put the batteries now. Alright, so it's locked now. Okay, so here's my setup. I have got some waste dust items, so they're mostly broken leads from the color pencils. So I have got some pencil shavings and few paper waste and threads and broken crayons. Alright, so we'll just lay them over here. Right. Right. So I'm going to turn it on now. Wow, I can hear it. Great. So there is some air coming out in these directions around. Right, it's time to find out how powerful it really is. Let me just scatter them around. Alright, there we go. I'm just moving around those dust items. So far so good. I'm going all over it. Yeah, there is that sound. Alright, so that's it, we are done here. We can just turn it off. Look how clean the table is. This is so cool. This is just perfect, guys. I would really go for this. But I'm not sure how long the batteries hold though. To me, I think it takes what it takes, so I can't actually worry about the batteries. So this cleaner is actually very handy if you are into some sort of artwork like creating miniature items or pencil lead sculpting. Or in fact, this is good to clean keyboards and dust from using eraser. Actually, the possibilities are endless. Let's actually take a look inside. Let me just place this here to get the collected dust back. Look at that. Alright, that was easy. This guy got almost everything, I would say. It's just perfect. So yeah. So this will prove to be the best if we actually put it against the best use cases rather than trying to make it do bigger homeworks. I would really go for it. So with that, we come to the end of this video. Thank you everyone. Please do support me. See you next time. Bye.